All right, so if you have multiple sites, there's a really cool thing you can do here, which is have your component library, this component library here that you have custom built, be powered by one location. And that location is called a NPM package. If you're a developer, this will make total sense, but I wanted to also record a video for non-technical folks so they can kind of grasp the concept as well. So imagine you have 3 different brands. Each brand has 2 sites, so you have 6 sites in total, but you want each of those 6 sites to kind of look and feel a little bit similar, like they're under one umbrella. Well, what you can do with that is you can actually set up a full component library here inside of an NPM package. And this NPM package, the developers that work on it, they'll be able to make an update to the entire component library here. And when the update is finished, they can push that down to all 600,000 of those sites that are using that NPM package. And those sites can accept that update and get the most updated components to use on their site. And so I've actually put one in here right now, which is this component called Typist. You can imagine that this NPM package, right now this NPM package has one component, but you can imagine it would have as many as you might need. So we have this one component here from an NPM package, and I'll show you a little bit about how this actually comes together. So inside of here, we have our package.json file. This is where you have certain dependencies. Right here is where we have this component called StackBit Typist. We've added this in, or we installed the StackBit Typist NPM package. And then what we've done is we've registered it in our components, which is right here. And we can see this here. StackBit Typist, right? We've dynamically imported it in from Node modules, which is where the import would happen. And then, which is not where the import would happen, but which is where the import comes from. And then we went into the StackBit YAML and we added it down here as our model source. And that is the basic gist of how kind of that comes together. We have a video of technically how to add your own NPM package filled with your component library, but I wanted to get a video out here just for the non-technical folks so they can understand that you can actually centrally govern one repository of or NPM package of components and have that cascade down to all the sites that you might manage.